So now let's have a look in PyCharm how we rename a file. Now if the file was in my project folder, we wouldn't need to specify the full file path like we have done over here. So this is the project folder, Python project, and the file is not in here, it's on my desktop as we can see over here, my_file. So we need to specify the full path as we have done over here. So the first two things we have done is import the operating system module, which has all of the operating system dependent functions like path, open, write, rename and so on. And then we have specified the path. Now to rename a file, we're going to rename my_file. Actually, we don't need this. Let's hash this out. So to rename a file, it's os.rename. And then in the arguments, we can see we can specify a source file and a destination file, or a source file folder and a destination file folder. So this command will do files or folders. And what we can do is copy this path and rename it. So the source is this path and the destination will be the destination path, but we will rename it to my_file_2. And let's run the file. So it shows the process has finished. And the way to confirm this is to have a look at my desktop to see if it's renamed. And we can see here it's been renamed. Also, if I have a look inside it, I just want to confirm it's still got my content, so it's not removed any of my content as well. And we can do this for my_folder as well, I guess. So we can do folder here and folder_2 over here. Let's run the file. I've accidentally put a double F in there, but that's fine. It will hopefully prove the point. So my_folder has been renamed.